Little Caesar's story is a classic American tale of entrepreneurial spirit, market disruption, near failure, and impressive comeback. Founded in the 1950s by Mike and Marian Ilitch, the chain quickly found its niche by offering incredibly affordable pizza. This focus on value, combined with catchy marketing like the "Pizza, Pizza" slogan, propelled Little Caesars to rapid expansion. They even took vertical integration seriously, owning a mushroom farm to control costs, a move that later evolved into a major food distribution business. The 1990s saw a fierce pizza price war. Little Caesars' massive Big Big cheese pizza challenged competitors like Pizza Hut and Domino's, leading to increasingly outlandish offerings. However, this aggressive competition, coupled with some internal missteps, eventually took its toll. Little Caesars seemed to lose sight of its core identity, and its market share began to decline. The company struggled to adapt to changing consumer preferences and faced stiff competition from other pizza chains that offered more variety and perceived higher quality. Just when things looked bleak, Little Caesars embarked on a remarkable turnaround. The company refocused on its value proposition while also modernizing its offerings and improving quality. The COVID-19 pandemic inadvertently played to Little Caesars' strengths, as its takeout-focused and hot-and-ready model thrived in a world of restaurant closures. Strategic partnerships with delivery services like DoorDash further expanded their reach and customer base. By returning to its roots of affordability and convenience, while also adapting to the modern food landscape, Little Caesars engineered a significant comeback, proving that sometimes the best path forward is back to basics. In 2022, Little Caesars was the subject of minor controversy when it raised the price of its $5 hot-and-ready pizza to $5.55. Some locations saw even higher prices. It wasn't all bad news, though, as the new and improved pizza came with 33% more pepperoni. Plus, compared to similar offerings at Domino's and Pizza Hut, $5.55 for a large pizza is still a steal. As of 2024, Little Caesars stands in third place for the largest pizza chain in the world. With locations in all 50 states and 28 countries, the company shows no signs of slowing down. Customers today flock to Little Caesars for its deep dish pizza, famous crazy bread, and crave-worthy pretzel crusts. Reclaiming its niche as the best value pizza chain, Little Caesars remains a popular and ever-growing force in the fast food industry.